Hi friends, today I'm going to inspect, check and repair these wires, which originally goes from the body of the car through this clamp and farther here to the connector station, which is located in here. The reason for it is basically lost signal from random sensors like engine temperature sensor, fuel temperature sensor, or any DTCs, diagnostic trouble codes, which relates to the sensors or glow plugs or even the camshaft position sensor. So the car is state of the art, as you can see, and basically first to do is to you can see it. I will not explain it from various reasons. You can see what I done. So this is the glow plug connector. Here we have crankshaft sensor, position sensor, which is extremely important. It doesn't use to fail, but the inspection of the continuity of the isolation, of the double isolation and shielding is crucial, just because engine does not run without that. You can also see this twisted four pair of four wires, which is injector connector, which is in here, and everything is possible to disconnect like this. And you can already see one wire is completely shaken off from this cable gland, from the inside of that cable gland. It like engine shakes itself and knocks on the wires up to the state which you can see. For example, here you can see this is the positive wire to the camshaft sensor. It's 3-pole like this, and this is probably one single string from that wire leads that current. So it's needed to cut and shorten a little bit. Doesn't matter. 5 centimeters is possible to replace or shorten it. It doesn't matter. It is a little bit shorter than it's necessarily needed. You can see also here the isolation is damaged completely up to the copper, and basically these are close together, and if the water vapors and or moisture gets in here, combined with the salt from roads and the dust, it doesn't necessarily shorten up, but it surely leads to the faulty signal or interference between positive here and output from some sensor. Like here you can see almost each wire is affected, ground is not. This is this brown color, but each and every wire is affected. Thinners are affected more, but you can see this is complete fail. This means that the signal from output of the sensor is affected with the positive or ground. So or any other signal which is mixing together, and no wonder that engine probably doesn't have any diagnostic trouble codes. Maybe it's just interference which is within some limits of the sensor output, but ECU cannot recognize if this is a plausible or implausible signal. So do this. Every owner of the 3L Lupo or maybe 1.4 liter TDI, 1.9 TDI engine should do this as a prevention after some 200,000 kilometers. 100 or 200,000 kilometers are optimal to do this. So first you gonna do is to clean it with the petrol. You can see the towels and petrol to completely degrease it, and I will now continue with my portable setup. You can see accu soldering stations. So I'm going to replace the missing wires, missing parts of wires. I'm going to isolate it with the tape or a heat shrink, better with heat shrink, and let's see. So I have already fixed the completely ripped wires. I will also make a second layer of isolation with the tape. You can see that I'm using a shrink tube around here, and on various different spots. And another thing what you want to do is to clean these ground spots. It doesn't look so bad here, but I strongly recommend as a prevention to clean this up a little bit, press it around here, just because the oxidation creates a layer between copper, microscopic layer, which makes bad ground around here. The same here, and from the battery, there is battery in the front of the car, so the body ground is here, and this is probably on the camera it looks pretty good, but it is not. Definitely it is not. It is oxidated. There is oxide layer, and also use the strong some kind of crimping device or pliers and press this pressed joint once more as a prevention. Same you can do on the engine. It is located. It's basically that this here you can see that a little bit rusty nut, and it could be released probably, and oxidation is also possible. So make sure that this is completely clean. And I'm not sure about the weather. It was kind of starting to rain, but probably I will make it and make it through. It's because I have not no wear on myself almost at all. So also I will check this. I basically don't like these fast connecting joints. In Volkswagen particular, it used to be okay, but the probably once bite in the shop around here, which connects thin wires, it used to rust from inside and lose the connection completely. So this is the reason why I'm soldering everything around here and securing it with a strong layer of tape. So here we go. I'm going to clean it with the wire brush and this thing, like, you know, and it's not the job you want to do just because it is almost needed to remove the lamp and everything around here, but trust me, it will pay off in the future. Also the same issue used to be around here. Make sure these fuses are, when you pull it out, you must be clean like this. It must be clean like this. No oxidation must be here. especially on the bigger ones, remove them. We remove the olds and place their new as a prevention. Buy some good quality fuses, protect it with the thin layer or something, some coating to prevent rust, and also repress these pressed joints. Also fails sometimes. Probably that's the same. That's all for today. I'm going to make this isolation. I'm going to make some order in these cables and keep maintaining your 3L cars, just because you know why. And have a nice day. Ciao.